So we've got the bacon here, nice sizzling sort of bacon. Now the interesting part is the base. We're going to use tortillas as the base to try and figure these are regular wraps that generally people would do. So using pizzas, we're going to use this. This is slightly more healthier, plain flour, and try and use that to get this going. So let's get the pizza sauce up. If you don't have pizza sauce, just use regular sauce, or you can use some sort of a tomato sauce that you want to create with your own version of hub sort of spices. You can use tandoori masala, you can use any of that. We're going to put some of our tomatoes in. A little bit of mushrooms here. And some bell peppers. Last but not the least, onions. Now this is grated cheese. We've just grated some Amul cheese. That's what we had. And now let's add the bacon on the sides. Right now, just sort of give it 5-10 minutes. Just lined up. We're going to go straight with the oven like that. This is got cooking both sides, so we're going to use that. Just keep the plate slightly up for the cheese to melt. So time to take out the pizza. We're going to make pizzas with some barbecue grilled chicken. We're going to use the air fryer to grill it. And some veggies. So this is again my favorite, white onions, some bell peppers, red and yellow. We're going to get some tomatoes and some tomato sauce to cut that through and put that at the base. Apart from that, depends on what you want to add. We've got chicken, I've got some bacon. By now I think our chicken should be ready. So nice and sizzling. Everything's done. For the second pizza, we're going to use similar thing. You can use barbecue sauce, as I said. You can use goddamn achar for all you care. I know the purists will hate me for saying that. But let's go with the grilled chicken first. Some mushrooms. I'm going to skip the tomatoes because they create a little bit of water in it, and onions. Something very leading, just cheese. You don't want too much of it. Let's go to the oven. Okay, so you guys are still my bacon pizza here. Can you imagine? Chicken one, to the chicken pieces. You must be thinking, why is it not brown and cheese bubbling? Because we had lesser cheese, not too much. Here is the bacon one. You can see a little more cheese here and browning there. But that's what it is. Remember, I waited to show you both of these pizzas together. There we go.